Hi everyone, my name is Madeleine Houghton. I'm with Vinsense, I'm the CEO. I couldn't be more pleased and proud to be here to present our technology to you today. I'd like to first thank Marie and all of the team for putting up with such high maintenance, non-French speaking Americans, so thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I need a clicker. Yeah. Merci. Pasta signal? Ah, wait. Yep. Yep. Hold on. No. There we go. Go back. Okay. Work out the kinks. So Vinsense is an innovative decision support software system designed to optimize agriculture crop production. It was designed at Purdue University several years ago by 3 scientists, an enologist, which is a winemaker, a soil scientist, and a data visualization expert. We've spent the majority of our time working specifically within the wine grape growing industry. This is a little bit of a delay. Within the wine grape growing industry, our software is actually designed for perennial crops, but we have done most of our work within the ultra to ultra premium wine grape growing market. We do have expectations to move into other crops in California, such as pistachios and almonds, and we would love to bring our technology to other parts of the world as well. So in terms of the ultimate, go back here, come on. There's a little bit of a delay here. I'll just talk through it. So in terms of our ultimate total addressable market, specifically within those segments, we see our market as a $1.5 billion industry for us. This is an example of our actual offering. So I like to describe it in two steps. The first step is our proprietary and patented algorithm, which maps out the functionality of soils. So, at the core of what we do truly believe that in order to optimize a crop, you have to understand the functionality of soils. So this precision functional soil mapping algorithm was designed to show that. So we use that as the basis of our software and technology, and that map, this map right here, allows us to really get into more precision farming. So we'll take a team, utilize this map. This algorithm also will tell us specifically where we need to go in a vineyard or a crop, and take a soil team out to do very specific analysis, take soil sample data, and run that data back through our model in order to come up with a comprehensive set of nutrient maps. We also use that model to do pest mapping. It's not shown here, but I can show an example if anybody's interested. While we're in field, this model also will tell us where to optimize soil sensors. So we are hardware agnostic. We do not manufacture hardware, but the benefit of working at or being developed at a Purdue University, which is one of the largest agriculture schools in the United States, is that we get to see a lot of the new technology and test it out. So we have a pretty good set of sensors that we can recommend to our growers. We'll actually go in field, install those sensors, and then take that data and map it back through into the second step of our software, which is better. Okay, thank you. Which is our web-based platform. So one of the biggest challenges our growers have today is just a deluge of data and information. So out in California, we have the luxury of working with growers who are really interested in bringing new technology to help optimize their vineyards. But the issue is that they have so many sources of data coming in from multiple locations. So we've really spent a lot of time, especially with our CTO, who is Dr. David Ebert, a specialist in data visualization, to take that data and help it make sense so growers can make better and more informed decisions. So here are specific snapshots of certain charts that we utilize with our growers in order to help them make better decisions. So things like soil moisture and temperature, growing degree days, answering the never-ending question of are we behind or ahead in a particular growing season. In terms of our competitive advantage, we are one of the only offerings currently out there both in the United States and internationally, that focuses on the entire comprehensive solution for a crop. All of our competitors are mainly specifically interested in providing solutions above the soil, whereas we focus on what's happening beneath the soil and above the soil. To date, we have 21 customers within the state of California, Oregon, and actually Peru. We have 5 proposals in process. A lot of interest actually coming from Canada and the hemp market, which in the United States is now legal. So again, not something that we were originally planning for, but something that we're certainly excited to get involved in. And our next phase of the evolution of our company is going to be through the adoption of our technology to pistachios and almonds, citrus, fruit and nut trees, as well as international expansion. So here are some very specific examples of our value proposition, which in the beginning of the presentation I didn't get a chance to see because we skipped forward. But so we're helping answer questions for our growers like, how do I optimize the volume, the quality, and the uniformity of my vineyard or crop? And so our software is specifically designed to help combat those questions, in addition to answering questions around what's my optimal irrigation strategy, how do I get the most out of my crop? So here are some very specific examples of the ROI for some of our customers. One of my favorite is a grower up in Sonoma who was able to charge an additional $5 per bottle for their wine because they saw an improvement in their quality.
It's thank you very much. I'm sorry. It's time
that's okay.